guys, it's Miss Banks here. I'm going to show you what's coming for the week. First, you're going to go into your courses and you're going to go to Language Arts Grade 4. Yours is probably going to look a little bit different than mine because mine has more on it. Hope you guys had an excellent weekend. I miss you all. So you're going to start by clicking on Monday. And Monday is April 6th. You're going to click on April 6th. So this week, you're going to be doing a natural disaster project. So you're going to click on the assignment. And there's a video below that you're going to watch. And your options for the assignment are earthquake, tornado, wildfire, hurricane, tsunami, or a blizzard. So you're going to go back. You're going to click on the natural disaster video, and it's going to take you to YouTube to watch a little video on natural disasters. It's very short. And then after you watch the video, you're going to think about which one you want to do. And also for this week, you're going to do fluency. So you're not going to have all these. You're just going to have one. So you're going to click on your fluency for the week. You're going to click on the document. And you're going to see pop up some directions in a passage. I want you to grab a timer, read for 1 minute, just like we do in class, count how many words you read, and by the end of the week, your goal is to see if you got more words read than you did on Monday. Throughout the week, I would like you to video yourself reading this passage at least one time. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I have been using, or you can use something else that works better for you. Record yourself and then upload it to the comments, which is back on Schoology. Upload it to the comments here in Schoology. After you do that, also by the end of the week, which this week we have a short week, we only have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because of Easter, but you also have to answer the comprehension questions that go along with your passage by the end of the week. Hopefully that makes sense. You're going to be doing that every day. So then you're going to go back on Tuesday, and Tuesday you would click on Tuesday, April 7th, and you're going to look at your project directions, which is right here. Click on the presentation that I put together. And then your directions, these are the options. Your directions are to choose one of the natural disasters that you saw in the video, which are listed here. And then you're going to use the research graphic organizer to collect all your information. Use internet readings, discussions in class to help you collect your research. And then you're going to choose one for your final project and then turn it in. So what I did was you go back to Schoology, go back to Tuesday, April 7th, and you're going to click on project materials. Now, whichever one you decide to pick, you're going to click it. I'm going to pick hurricanes because I'm from the South. You're going to click on hurricanes. It gives you on the first slide one or two little books that you can read, or it can be read to you. So you'll copy this link and open it in a different tab, and it'll bring up Epic like we read in class. So you will get this Epic book to pop up, and it will read it to you. And then you're going to find all of your information for your project on hurricanes in that book or from the other book. So you should be able to complete this by Wednesday is your goal. So each day you need to be doing your project and you need to be doing your fluency. Because as you will see on Tuesday as well, on April 7th, you will have your fluency folder, and as well as April 8th. And by April 8th, which is Wednesday, I would like you to have turned in your project, which is going to be turned in here. natural disaster project. It says write a comment. You're just going to have to post your project file there because I will be able to see it. And then also your fluency. Hopefully that helps for reading, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns.